know this is your boy DP Kazamala ke Etripi Stars. I got I'm Shimana Mopedi, Mishana Tabshana Gamalevella Fela, crazy people. I'm sure. Ah, guys, I'm back again. Mafethu kusho sechile kwele sound mafethu. Hayi ke lokompo le mafethu ke lokompo mafethu. Ke lokompo mafethu la kwa hayi kulimpopo ta mafethu. Yeah, but then la tseba mafethu lokompo atitse lokompo se di banyana mafethu. Na mara ke rile hey. E tla ke tsena ka style sa ka bafethu le nna ke se ka tshwana le ba bang bafethu ke be daza the dazzling daza trappist daza mshimana wa thapisha ngonyana ka mo lebella fela crazy people amashamshwa wangushisha. So mara bafethu today bafethu we are going to break down this project or e dirile jwang bafethu. I'll try to be quick as I can bafethu ke sikatshana kwebhaya bafethu. So let's start with the drums bafethu. Ke lo bontsha di drums ke di dirile jwang bafethu. Here are the drums bafethu. We have the kick, ne? Sounds like this. But then if now you can check something, ne? I just want to show you something before I go into deep. Waka chakwa project ethu amajwang, ne? There is if you mo chorus mo, everything changes, it switches. Now let me show you. Wayeko. Like utheleze ne. I want so it's not like the way like how it started. I want so even the kick here I just have the kick but it just sound like this. You know most kick you at home my first entry not maga first step or onulukisha mola le molo wabona. So but they don't sound the same. More the drums sound different. Can I drum seka yo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 different types of drums on one project. Wabona lemo more I sounded the same utshwana le molo wabona. Even here I think the cake they still remain the same. More gonna fuck the kick just like that, né? The snares are just like this, and then other like percussions items just like this. So this is the same as this one. This one is the same as this one, and also this one. Mo kuno bale shake nyana mo yono baizisa nyana mo takone something ne for kitima dilo ka moya. Mo kuno bale shake nyana mo yono baizisa nyana mo bona sound so le barki eish na krato ibisa moropa mkhonga mabona. But then the rest is the same, like the bakilo tshwana the same mabona. The key da yeah. Then let's go deep nyana bafethu. Kinani chord progression bafethu just like on the previous video. Tokile butse nyana bafethu nna ntwe ke dira nga dira chord progression. What is chord progression? Ki bushele tsore ke lotse a di bana like lotse ka mogodi bona ka ona. This is a chord progression. So scale sa yona ke A major wa fethu re bona mo ka cheka modimo mo bona o lebelle mo ne ke A major wa bona. So everything that you see here tla ke dire sone o kusha yona re sounda jwang e sounda sure. It sounds like this. Why does it sound like this? Because I cooked it. It's not just thing. It's not you know for purity more and stuff. Also so it's like quickly. I just want to show you quickly because I don't want to cancel this one. But then normally like oh wait let me do something like this so odoro plug in ya I cooked bafethu le tse di baya ke di cookile bafethu le la bona. But let me show you how I did this thing for example, okay, let me just do some follow up or it's more Spanish J for only here 69 with what instrument guitar harp. Yeah, ne, let's do like this. Ne, arugule purity. Ne, I just want to show you something. Ne, let's open purity, and we go to select our instrument. Ne, so so we used, I think, is which one? Damn, why kilebala Joe? But it's something like harmonics and stuff. No, something like, but no. But then let me put these things here. Ne? So ke copy the chord progression tjela tsa mola ne tsene. E tla confirm about check gore ke instrument e fe ke spice change, because I just want to show you gore how come this thing is it lay sound so old. 42 ne, 42, and then ke bokae 60, 69 ne. I just want to show you from scratch wa bona or like that ke dirile jwang wa bona. So ntwe ke dirile wa bona ke butse purity ne, focus re ska confuse ne, ke butse purity. I have my chord progression here. You can have the one of yours which is different. So ntwe ke dirileng ne, ke butse purity, fakile purity as a plugin, ka select like instrument. It's instrument e fits ba fethu na ke lebetse ba fethu. I don't know which one is which one. But then yeah, we can even use this one. I got a sound I forgot ba fethu le nke ya kwa ke boya ke ya kwa, because I get like akanya go jana ko ne. So nto ke dirileng he ba fethu ne, I have my chord progression, ka select the instrument, then from here ne I'll right click ne mo purity mo, right click ka tla mo partialize, then I click there. Then you'll see what will happen. Let me cancel this thing, let me go back. Then this is what I will have after selecting partialize. When you partialize this thing, so all partializer guys is like you are trying to connect different plugins at the same how can I put it, I'm trying to connect different plugins, as many as I want, in one location, in one place. I'm trying to put it in simple terms, because Tema music is something else. So what I will do here, remember, as now, even if it's I will partialize, it will sound like this. So what I will do, it will select anywhere. Let me just select here, then it will ring add plugin. It will add a plugin. So plugin is by saying that sequencer is this one, the VFX sequencer is this one. So what I will do now, I want to like so what I will do now, I will disconnect this one, the purity, from this one. I get this one's from FL. I'm trying to make sure between the input and the output, the plugins between it, between the one, two, the plugins. So now after disconnecting this one, the purity from this thing, what do you call this thing, from FL Studio, this one, disconnect it, then I come and connect this one with the purity that side. So what do I want? I want the sequencer to act before the instrument. I want to control how I want to play the instrument. So this is what I did here. But listen to how terrible this will sound like. So that's how it sounds like. So it's like this thing, it gives you, these are the melodies, these things. Melodies. There's so many of them, different types of them you can use. Even this one. But another one that I used, as I remember, I think it was 69. Yeah, like this. So this is the instrument that I used. So like that's how I made it. That's how I made it, Buffett. So let me delete this thing and go back to the original one, because there I was just trying to demonstrate to you or but then this is what I did. Same thing. Alright? So here when I start this song, it sounds like this. You see it. So this is this part. This is how I did it, ne? And kamkhola ke boletseng ka ona bafethu, I still repeat bafethu. Also ka dia chord progression. Make sure anything, any idea that you do, man, it still lies within that chord progression or within the same scale. Ska kira ko she tlhakatlhakane bafethu ko she sa make sense. So now let's go. Like let's come here ke le bontshe hore how did I do these things? You see this thing, ne? This is this chord progression. What I did here, let me show you how I did it. This is the same thing as this thing. It's the chord progression. Kata katile kata katile kata kata zama kata kata. Itla go bontsha re ke dirile jwang mfethu, ne? Let me copy this chord progression, ne? Ke ka da go bontsha something. Like what's a plugin, ne? Where is it? It's a plugin. Ke purity, still purity. So ke chase, ne? More fast synth or select that chase. So I want to show you, ne? Let me clone this thing, ne? Oh, someone can ask me how did I clone it? I'm gonna press a right click, press a C, but we can come here, then you clone it, then we'll have something of this nature. So let me post this chord progression. This sounds like this at first. So I can remember I'm trying to show you how did I turn this chord progression or this sound this so. Come on, one. Simple thing. So here is how I did it, Buffett. Just look at this, ne? So what I did, I highlight everything. How do you highlight everything? Control A, Control plus A, highlight. Then I make them small, like whippy. Wabon, or like good driving. They were like this. Get highlight like make them small. Wabon. I just drag them, then I get like no so like low sound as then we like a do lam which is sound as sort of question. Wait till it.
Okay, Malum Paulos.
So Mara kam koki drilling ka ona nek fetsa na pile ke press shift, ne? I get like sa highlight ile make sure the highlight if you dirile mistake I dey highlight this so press control and A again or highlight everything. Na pile o fetsa utlo o beya mouse wa mo or press shift before o fetsa na pile you drag this thing to this side. So it sound like this. No so then again, I'm still gonna drag them again. I get at least you need ghost. Let's say the ghost, just like I said. These are the ghost keys. This one start from the other instrument. From another piano roll, so I can see them even this side. I can even still do what? Shift drag. Shift drag. Shift drag. Shift drag. Shift drag. Shift. Oh shit, I'm pressing shift too much now. Laptop here. Shift. Shift drag again. sounds like this now, right? But I hope I get really so or like you can dira sound like sound sharp. Uno tla moment to snap to grids. Why dira 1/6 of it's our highlighter everything. How do we highlight? Control plus A. Highlight. Na plek fetsa. I dira small so hono sound sharp. Hold. Why So this is how exactly how I did this part here. So let me delete this one. And we move on bafethu. We move on bafethu. Also say into bafethu ngalobotsa nyona bafethu. Once you get chord progression, why did I die and then it sounds good. Everything comes from this thing on the beat bafethu. Let the bass line bafethu. Uno selector say uno chia yebo. Bass line uno chia. It's like it's up to you come khonye gore sound ka wachaye. Let's say or maybe wachaye for example laba no your bass the bass the note reach bass how di be so of a sudden I press shift wa quippy nepile fetsa wa transpose go fase da o tla mo type nepile tlo selector here wa edit wa tla mo transpose one active down o di isha go fase or maybe o ka pressang shift le arrow like le down arrow wa bona nepile direct ke bass sa house this you're gonna use it to make a bass wa bona nepile just put the bass here like plug in your bass the bass that you love. But then I get like the rest of the let me just go to bass actually. The bass, ne? You see the bass, where's the bass? Where do we have the bass? Is this one, the bass. You see this part? This is the same thing. It comes from what? Chord progression. This is the bass, but it's like a right? This is the bass. It comes from where? Chord progression. Chord progression. Chord progressions are everything, including the melody and everything. But then let's move on to the drums. Ke tsona di drums ba fethu di kana mkho ba fethu ne ke di drums ba fethu ke di pakila kana mkho run ostrich video ba fethu se krila a kenya go tsana go etelle ne run di ostrich hi. Where do you find ostrich ba fethu this instrument citrus ni kitibela go citrus ba fethu na instrument e so ka mara first did ba bona citrus go khotla uno fitla wa pressa mo muntu mo presets mo ostrich ke ba fethu di ostrich ke je bona ta thuzo ronya ka yefi mara na ke Spanish this one ba then le ona ostrich I bona like everything ma fethu nto ke le botsa nyona even these things where are they these things like it ing jo like ne ke di vox di tswa mo eng mo chord progression nga mo go no tsela tutseng ka ona bona. Then even like Rachel ba fethu here Rachel not wa go scheme sam out so lena Rachel o hla hi ba fethu uno wa lotse kuno di cutter kuno di dira kuno dia short o tshwana nga mo gore dealing ka ona with this ones katse. You remember how like we did this ones le Rachel ke dirile the same thing. Etso mo nka ra bone it's tla ke dire so ke highlight into I wanna ke ding ke chord progression tsela tsa rena tsola di bona a di bona you know but I just make them short like this kana mkhola rileng ela ka ona ela bass the same thing ba fethu everything's the same thing ba fethu throughout I wanna oyapela nje no ba copy and paste bafethu, you know what, the drums everything copy and paste mongo mo kono di or beat no resta nyana bafethu kanya ko ha kenya go jana go ke abona. So mara le verse sound so bafethu. So bafethu kana mokgo bafethu everything o mongwe ka re ke kwa instrument e nngwe hi bafethu ke efe tu 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 okay bona filebella this is the same as this thing bafethu. What is the difference between the two? They are the same bafethu. It's a matter of playing with instrument with the same chords bafethu. This is a strategy, but it makes music simple and not overthinking and stuff. Now let's open this one. Same, just like the first one. Same, just like the first one. Go back to the beginning of the video. You'll see how I did this thing, like pressurizing stuff. You'll see it. Go there. No more, just selected the different instrument with the different sequence. So this is the sequence that I chose, this one. These are the melodies, like I said, Buffet. These are different melodies, man. There's another one that sounds like this. Listen. So these are the different melodies, Buffet. We do them just like that, Buffett. Still, if it is like I do, same chord progression, Buffett. Get the same chord progression, Buffett. Progression, that never fit chord, Buffett. We make music, we come out, my fellow on the bass, everything you win, we just play around it. That's all, make it easy, Buffet. Don't skakra or fit what juluki, camera AI, Buffet. People are using AI to make music. If we wanna know so to load to juluki and stuff, man, you're wasting your own energy, man. So, yeah, Buffet. It's like it's all Buffet, you know this is boy Buffet, so this is just the beat. I had the vocal Buffet. And we nyaka and test and can inbox Buffet, Robele Buffet, re wanna like it if it's a juang and alway. Now wanna be like complicated. Simple, but it still slaps. Let me play it for the last time Buffet.